Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and today I'm gonna do something I have not done in a long time. I'm gonna do an unboxing. That's right. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I saw this item, and I knew this is a really good accessory I wanted to get because I had in my mind what I wanted to use it for. Now, I'll give you a moment. I got my coffee. I got my notes. And we can do this unboxing. All right. Go ahead and get yours and get ready. Now, this is going to be an unboxing of a LED light Bluetooth speaker. Now, give you a quick show of that. I haven't opened it yet, but that's it. Okay, see if I can focus in. Good. Now, let me tell you what it's all about. All right, this is a wirelessly stream music from any Bluetooth enabled device. And if you have a laptop that has Bluetooth on it, you can use that. Now, some computers do not come with Bluetooth. You will have to get a Bluetooth adapter, which is not super expensive. You can get that on Amazon, eBay, or pick one up at your Best Buy. Super cheap. They're not super expensive. Okay. Now, also, number 2, it has a USB and a TF card input. Oh, it gets better. Now, this shocked me. I didn't know this. It has a built-in FM radio. All right. That goes from 87.5 all the way to 108. Okay. Megahertz. Now, here's a real cool part. I love this part. All right. Brace yourself. You can record to a USB drive. Okay. Now, this intelligent speakers allows you to record audio onto a USB or a memory card without the need for a computer. So if you're listening to your music on the FM station or your talk show, you can literally record it onto a memory card or a USB storage drive. Awesome to listen to and play back later. Okay. Now, it has a rechargeable battery in it, so that's a good thing. So you can carry it along. You charge up the battery, you can carry it with you. You don't always have to have it plugged in. Now, the accessories it comes with is a USB charging cable. Okay. Now, the speaker, this is a real cool part about it. The speaker also has a handy handle that you can carry with you. Also, it has LED lights that changes from blue to kind of a red. So it changes, the LED lights changes while you're listening to your music. Or what I use it for, or I'm going to use it for, is if I have a stressful day at work or whatever, and I want to listen to rain or ocean sounds or something like that, I can use it and listen to it. I can connect it to my iPhone. And if you have an iPhone 6S or above, if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, if you go into the accessibility tab on iPhone and you scroll down, you can literally pick background noises. And the background noises could be white noise, it could be rain, it could be ocean, all these different sounds, and it are free on your. It comes with your software on your iPhone 6S or above. Okay, I think it's a iOS 15. It all comes with that. Most people don't know about that. So let's say you connect your Bluetooth speaker to your iPhone. and you play your rain falling. Okay, and it's continuous, and it won't stop until you turn it off. So you can have all that nice, relaxing, like ocean breeze sound or rain falling in the background, pump through your Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and just relax. Or any of your jams, any of your music. Okay, pump through your Bluetooth speaker, and you don't have to have internet. That's right. Remember, I mean, because even if you're listening to the radio and you're and you're able to record that Friday night jam that's going on, hey, you don't need a computer, you don't need internet to do that. So that's really, really cool. Okay, so that you can imagine tons of different ways you can use this. All right, now the cost, as you saw, the cost $5. That's right, that's it, $5. Where? One of my favorite places to get inexpensive accessories, Family Dollar. That's right. Normally they're going to be in the back behind the counter, so you have to ask the person, but you can see them normally. Most Family Dollars are laid out the same way. All right, $5. That's it. That's not including tax. All right, so let's open this baby up and see what it's all about, shall we? All right, it's from Sylvania. Comes with the manual, like most of these stuff do. See how big the sucker is. Ah, perfect size. Oop. It comes with a, let's see if I can pick this up real quick, charging cable. Okay, and it's a typical charging cable, so even if you have one at home, you'll probably be able to use it. Take it out of the wrapper, shall we? There we go. Yep. And you can carry it along. That's some specs if you can read them. And you see the speaker. Well, the speaker also changes color. It's a LED light. Okay. You see it has a radio on it. You can check the modes. Yep, it has a record right there, so you can start recording. That's about cool. Very nice, very nice. All right, and I'm gonna play with this later. $5. All right, and I wanted to show y'all that, and that is an unboxing. I wanted to make it quick and simple for you, and I ask you to give this a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I ask you to share this with someone you think it might be able to enjoy it. And if you want to, you can subscribe. And I'll wrap y'all later. Peace.